Hi everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about ExifTool, but before that a short disclaimer that this information is only for education and information purpose only, and this should not be used for any illegal and malicious activity. So yes, this ExifTool, that stands for Exchangeable Image File Format Data. So that ExifTool, which we are going to discuss, is a very powerful tool, and that is used to extract metadata of a file. Yeah. And metadata, what itself is, so metadata is a set of data that describes any given information about other data. So that other data can be a file, a jpeg file, that can be audio, video. So the data associated with the data is known as metadata, and this metadata is extracted by this ExifTool, which we are going to discuss today. And this can extract the data not only from images but from audio, video, and like PDF. I have taken this example. That example is given on Wikipedia. So that is the metadata about some image file, that is JPG file here. And in this file, you can see that what kind of data we can extract. Like we have the file name, we have directory, file size, file type, MIME type, resolution, and actually they can also give the information about the camera, for example, from which this photo was taken. So there was some photo, and this is the window which shows the data about that photo. Yes, so the photo is not there. Yeah, sorry for that. And yes, you see here, now this is the information we can collect using ExifTool. And for installation in our Kali machine, we have this command which will be running. And then how to use it, so simple use is that we give the name of that tool and then give the location of that file and then the name of that file. That's it. So let's do it in Kali Linux. Okay, now to show you the use of this ExifTool, I have this Kali Linux machine, and to use it, for example, and then I just forgot to mention that this is the tool which we use normally for information gathering. So this is one of the phases of pen testing, and I have discussed these all phases of pen testing in some of my video. I'll put the link in description section. Yeah, so to use this tool, let's go to terminal in Kali Linux machine, and let's see if the ExifTool is already there. ExifTool, and press enter. So ExifTool not found. So do you want to install it? We say yes, and you can see here sudo apt install, and this is already given me the command. So with this command I can actually install it, and I say yes, press enter, and asking for password. I gave password, and now this has started installing this ExifTool on my machine. Yes, continue, and then continues, and this ExifTool will be installed on my machine, and this is the tool which is going to extract the metadata about some files. That files can be image, audio, video, PDF. So that, and meanwhile maybe we can also see this, maybe ExifTool, if I show you here, if I open my browser, and here if I just write ExifTool, and it should land us on this page where we will have further information about this ExifTool. You can see here, and yeah, this depends on my internet speed. This page will be loaded, but this is very useful to see that what ExifTool is able to perform. So it says ExifTool is a platform independent, and like I'm showing you in Kali, maybe you can also try this in Windows based machine as well. This command line application for reading, writing, and editing metadata information in a wide variety of files. ExifTool supports many different metadata formats like this. So these are the data formats which are supported. That's EPS, EXIF, FlashPics. You can see there are many here, and many digital cameras. So because this can also give you the information about which camera model was used to take that particular picture, and these are the cameras which are supported here. Okay, so you have these all. You can go for further details, what files are supported, what features are there. So you can see these all information is given here in details. But first, how to use it, let's go back here, and you can see this has already installed this ExifTool for us. And now to use this, just we have to download some sample image. Like if I go again on browser, sorry, I had already browser anyway. So if I just say maybe any Vienna, it's a beautiful city here, and if I go in images, I'll take a random image from there, and let's see what images, what we can extract from that image. For example, here if we click this and save image as, and this image you can see this will be downloaded in the downloads folder, and I'm giving this name like VIENNA, Vienna, and just enter. And when I minimize it, this goes. And now if to use just to ExifTool, I have to write ExifTool, and then you can see this turned into green color. So maybe I increase the light of this, sorry for this. Yeah, ExifTool you can see here, and now ExifTool we can actually give the name of the file, but for that maybe we need to give the location of file of that file. So maybe before running this command, I'm going to that file, sorry, that folder where I have this file. You can see this is in downloads folder. I can show you in ls. So vienna.jpg file is in the downloads folder, and now simply I can run this command and then give the name of that file, jpeg, and press enter. And you can see now this has collected the metadata of this image file that was vienna.jpg. Here you can see the information which is possible. This has been collected by this, and in some of the images we have the location information, some of the images we don't have, because we need to enable this feature. And maybe in some of our videos I'll show you that how to enable this feature in maybe in Android based phones, or maybe in other cameras as well. I mean, this is I'll show you. Okay, so this is the tool which is very useful in the information gathering phase. If we want to collect information about the target, so in that target maybe we can have some image files, we can have some photos there, and those photos we can have some further information which can be helpful, very helpful in pen testing. Okay, so this is the simple use, how we can use it. And if we want to see further details about that, and as usual we can write ExifTool and then maybe -h. So this will give further information about that. So they consult the ExifTool documentation for further details. Let's see if we have here maybe manual. If we see ExifTool, ExifTool, and you can see this gives the further information about it. So ExifTool read and write meta information file, and then this is how we can use it. So I just demonstrated here, very simple use of that, but you can see, and also is what file types are supported here. So detailed information is available in the manual of this ExifTool, which we can access simply with this command. Yeah? So if we get out of there, just press Q, and that's it. Okay, so thank you. I just in this video wanted to show you a simple use of this ExifTool, and hope this was a bit helpful for some of you. And thank you very much for your time, and hope to see you in some other video.